Walking in another's shoes, understanding empathy and perspective. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, in someone's shoes. This idiom is all about empathy, understanding, and seeing the world from another person's perspective. So, grab a notebook, and let's embark on this linguistic journey together, hoping to make your English learning path a bit smoother and more insightful. The phrase, in someone's shoes, is an idiom used to express what it feels like to be in another person's situation or position. It's about trying to understand their experiences, challenges, and emotions from their viewpoint. This expression encourages empathy, urging us to consider how we would feel or react if we were dealing with the same circumstances. While the exact origin of "in someone's shoes" might be hard to pinpoint, the concept of empathy and understanding others' perspectives has been a part of human culture and communication for centuries. This idiom beautifully captures the essence of stepping into another person's life metaphorically, to better understand their struggles and triumphs. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. Before you judge her decisions, try putting yourself in her shoes and think about what you would have done in that situation. Imagine being in his shoes, with such a huge responsibility at a young age. I really put myself in your shoes when I heard about what happened. And I understand why you're upset. Using the phrase, in someone's shoes, can significantly enhance your empathetic communication and help you express understanding and solidarity with others. Understanding and practicing the idea of being in someone's shoes is crucial for personal growth, effective communication, and building strong relationships. It fosters empathy, improves our ability to support others, and helps us become better listeners and friends. By imagining how we would feel in someone else's situation, we can respond with more kindness, patience, and understanding. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, in someone's shoes. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this idiom and inspired you to practice empathy in your daily life. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about connecting with others and understanding their world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and keep learning.